Christy. In Columbia, Prisma Health officials celebrated a special milestone at Gamecock Park. Governor Henry McMaster was at their large community vaccination site to mark the occasion. He also talked about expanding vaccine availability to another group of South Carolinians. Our Jason Raven has more.
It's a cold, dreary day here in Columbia, but there was a bright moment celebrated earlier today at Gamecock Park.
3 weeks, give or take 4 days.
71-year-old Barry Gray got his first dose of the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine Monday morning. Prisma Health says Gray received the 100,000th shot they've given since mid-December.
We are passionate about getting the shot in the arms of everyone who wants one and everyone who needs one.
They invited Governor Henry McMaster and others to mark the milestone. Now, the governor and hospital officials say the COVID-19 vaccine is moving at a quicker pace.
It is vitally important now for all of our sites and those that we will be setting up to be operating at maximum capacity.
Hospitals and other providers are closing in on nearly 500,000 doses administered in South Carolina. Now, last month, the governor asked everyone to speed up vaccinations in the state. Now, he says he would like to see more pharmacies begin giving the vaccine, especially ones in less populated parts of the state.
So we want the pharmacies and those out in the more rural areas to do the same things that our hospitals are doing now. And when we get everyone operating at maximum capacity, that will be good news for the people of South Carolina.
The governor also says he would like to see vaccines offered to everyone 65 and up as soon as possible. Right now, anyone over 70 can get the vaccine, and according to DHEC, the 65 to 69 age group is in phase 1C of the state's vaccination plan.
Average age of death from the virus in South Carolina is 75 years old. So it is the older people that are most at risk, and those are the ones that we must see have the early opportunity to get a vaccination.
Now, South Carolina is expected to receive an additional 10,000 doses in the weekly shipment from the federal government, bringing the state's total to 72,000 doses. In Columbia, Jason Raven, 7 News.
Prisma officials also announced today that patients looking to get the COVID-19 vaccine can use the MyChart portal to schedule vaccine appointments.
More Americans